As electric vehicles and autonomous driving take center stage in the automotive industry, Adaptive AUTOSAR is the answer to the increasing complexity of these modern vehicles and the demand for advanced features. Adaptive AUTOSAR is an open and standardized automotive software architecture designed to facilitate the development of high-performance, safety-critical, and scalable automotive software for the next generation of intelligent and connected vehicles. As vehicles harness the power of Adaptive AUTOSAR's service-oriented architecture, it offers a flexible framework that effectively manages resources, promotes real-time adaptability, and enables the integration of advanced technologies. Moreover, Adaptive AUTOSAR is scalable and adaptable, allowing automakers to meet the constantly evolving demands of the highly competitive automotive industry, as well as efficiently incorporate new technologies and features into their products. The shift to Adaptive AUTOSAR was motivated by the inherent limitations of classic AUTOSAR that are characterized by its static and component-based architecture. Upon recognizing the need for greater flexibility and adaptability, the automotive industry embraced the evolution to Adaptive AUTOSAR. Adaptive AUTOSAR, in stark contrast, embraces a service-oriented architecture, a paradigm better suited for managing dynamic and event-driven interactions between software components. This shift enhances the system's responsiveness and facilitates seamless communication among various software entities. At the core of Adaptive AUTOSAR are services, which are self-contained, reusable software modules designed to execute specific functions or deliver well-defined capabilities. These services play a pivotal role in enhancing modularity and fostering efficient, specialized functionality within the automotive software ecosystem. Services are the building blocks of the service-oriented architecture that exhibit a broad spectrum of functionalities, spanning from the processing of sensor data to the implementation of intricate vehicle control algorithms. The versatility of these services underscores their pivotal role in addressing a wide array of automotive software needs. The life cycle of Adaptive AUTOSAR services is meticulously defined, encompassing key phases such as initialization, activation, deactivation, and termination. This robust life cycle management ensures that services can be seamlessly started, stopped, and adapted, effectively accommodating dynamic changes within the system. It forms a critical foundation for the system's agility and responsiveness. Furthermore, the architecture has supervision and monitoring mechanisms embedded to oversee the health and performance of services. These mechanisms can identify and respond to service failures or deviations from expected behavior, which contributes to system reliability. Next comes the service interface. Each service exposes one or more service interfaces. At its core, a service interface in Adaptive AUTOSAR acts as the blueprint, outlining methods, data structures, and communication protocols. These elements form the foundation through which other services or components seamlessly interact with the service. The standardization achieved through service interfaces ensures a well-defined and uniform communication protocol, fostering interoperability across the diverse array of services within the automotive ecosystem. There's a repository that manages information about available services and their interfaces. It serves as a registry where services can be discovered and accessed by other services or components. This promotes interoperability and dynamic service discovery. Critical to the success of Adaptive AUTOSAR's service-oriented architecture is its robust communication infrastructure. This infrastructure serves as the backbone, facilitating efficient and reliable communication between services. This infrastructure supports various communication mechanisms, including message-based communication and publish-subscribe patterns, to cater to different communication requirements. There is also resource management, that is tasked with overseeing resources such as CPU, memory, and network bandwidth. Due to this, there can be dynamic allocation of resources that align with real-time requirements. This resource optimization is crucial for supporting advanced features. The architectural transition to Adaptive AUTOSAR has ushered in a new era for the automotive industry, offering a multitude of advantages that effectively address the challenges previously encountered with classic AUTOSAR. Let's briefly explore the key benefits of Adaptive AUTOSAR. Adaptive AUTOSAR offers more scalability than classic AUTOSAR, and is efficient in accommodating the evolving complexities of modern vehicles, including electric vehicles and those equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. The architecture's flexibility enables the introduction of additional services to support new functionalities without the need to re-engineer the entire system. Adaptive AUTOSAR's dynamic adaptability allows for real-time adjustments based on changing environmental conditions, which is a critical feature for scenarios like autonomous driving. Services can be dynamically configured or reconfigured during runtime, which promotes adaptability and responsiveness to real-time changes. Adaptive AUTOSAR marks a departure from classic AUTOSAR's rigid communication stack. Instead, it embraces Ethernet-based communication, introducing a more flexible communication management stack. This shift not only accommodates the high bandwidth demands of modern automotive applications but also enhances adaptability, reflecting a key improvement over the limitations of its predecessor. Resource allocation efficiency is also improved through proper resource management. This in turn optimizes CPU, memory, and network bandwidth allocation based on real-time needs. Efficient resource management is crucial for resource-constrained embedded systems in order to ensure optimal system performance. Adaptive AUTOSAR also addresses security and integrates mechanisms for secure communication, authentication, and authorization. This heightened security protects sensitive data and ensures secure service interactions, which addresses cybersecurity concerns associated with increased vehicle connectivity. The software-oriented architecture in Adaptive AUTOSAR champions interoperability among software components by leveraging standardized interfaces and protocols. Adaptive AUTOSAR's emphasis on standardized interfaces not only encourages but actively facilitates the integration of diverse software modules from various suppliers. This approach fosters a collaborative and open ecosystem, reducing vendor lock-in. Adaptive AUTOSAR's communication mechanisms, notably featuring message-based communication, form a crucial aspect of its dynamic framework. Within Adaptive AUTOSAR, communication extends beyond traditional methods, incorporating sophisticated publish-subscribe patterns facilitated by Ethernet-based protocols designed to effectively address the high bandwidth and low latency communication demands inherent in modern vehicles. This capability is crucial for advanced features like sensor fusion, over-the-air updates, and infotainment systems. The architecture's service encapsulation simplifies maintenance and software updates, allowing for the isolation of issues, application of patches, and introduction of new features, without impacting the entire software stack. Adaptive AUTOSAR's service-oriented architecture enables the seamless integration of emerging technologies and services as the automotive industry evolves. This ensures that vehicles remain competitive and adaptable to emerging technologies such as 5G connectivity, artificial intelligence, and advanced sensor suites. Given the array of benefits that Adaptive AUTOSAR brings to the table, it finds practical applications in a range of real-world automotive scenarios. For instance, it powers the brains of autonomous vehicles, enabling them to process sensor data, make real-time decisions, and navigate complex environments safely. It also underlies ADAS features that enhance vehicle safety by providing features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance. Adaptive AUTOSAR plays a pivotal role in shaping the landscape of modern infotainment systems in automobiles. Its adaptive architecture is instrumental in delivering intuitive user interfaces and seamlessly integrating connected services. Aside from all the advantages, it's worth mentioning that as with any emerging technology, Adaptive AUTOSAR still faces a number of challenges. These are associated with its smooth adoption, implementation, and integration into vehicles. Here are some of the current challenges that the automotive industry is facing with Adaptive AUTOSAR. as Adaptive AUTOSAR introduces a more complex software architecture compared to classic AUTOSAR, automakers and suppliers may face a learning curve when transitioning. This can lead to delays and potential implementation errors. The industry can tackle this by providing the right training and resources to help engineers and developers become proficient in Adaptive AUTOSAR. They can also promote collaboration with experienced Adaptive AUTOSAR consultants or seek guidance from experts in the field to streamline the learning process. Migrating from classic AUTOSAR to Adaptive AUTOSAR, or integrating Adaptive AUTOSAR with other legacy systems, may require significant effort and resources. Instead of addressing it altogether, planning a phased migration from classic AUTOSAR to Adaptive AUTOSAR, and allowing time for adjustments and testing can help with a smooth transition. Also, having rigorous testing and validation processes can ensure seamless integration and functionality. While Adaptive AUTOSAR's dynamic adaptability and resource management capabilities provide significant advantages, it's important to note that these features can be resource-intensive, potentially necessitating more powerful hardware components. This consideration may impact production costs and should be weighed against the benefits of the enhanced functionality. To combat this, engineers and designers can optimize software to make efficient use of resources and consider selecting hardware components that align with Adaptive AUTOSAR requirements. Despite its benefits, ensuring the seamless integration of various components, software modules, and services from diverse suppliers remains a challenge in Adaptive AUTOSAR. Interoperability complexities require careful consideration to achieve harmonious collaboration within the automotive ecosystem. Standardization efforts are ongoing, but compatibility issues can arise at any phase, which hinders overall interoperability. Through close industry and supplier collaboration, automakers can improve compatibility. Adaptive AUTOSAR systems must implement robust security measures to protect against potential cyber attacks and safeguard sensitive data. Addressing integration challenges in Adaptive AUTOSAR involves implementing a security by design approach. Regular security audits can also be conducted to identify and address vulnerabilities. The automotive industry has strict regulatory requirements and safety standards in place, which means that Adaptive AUTOSAR systems will have to comply with these standards. To get to a point of compliance is, however, time-consuming and complex. By engaging with regulatory bodies and standards organizations early in the development process and maintaining thorough documentation of the development process can help meet compliance requirements. During the transition from classic AUTOSAR to Adaptive AUTOSAR, automakers may encounter the need to support both architectures simultaneously. This coexistence phase demands careful planning to ensure a smooth transition without compromising the functionality and performance of existing systems. Managing this transition phase can be resource-intensive and require careful planning. Automakers can develop a clear roadmap for the transition from classic AUTOSAR to Adaptive AUTOSAR. Also, support can be provided for both architectures during the transition phase to minimize disruptions. A robust ecosystem of suppliers and tool providers is essential for the success of Adaptive AUTOSAR. Dependence on a limited number of vendors can pose risks in terms of support and service availability. Working with multiple vendors and tool providers to reduce dependence on a single source and establishing long-term partnerships with reliable suppliers who are committed to supporting Adaptive AUTOSAR is a good way to work around this. Some critical automotive functions such as ADAS and autonomous driving demand high performance and real-time capabilities. Ensuring that Adaptive AUTOSAR can meet these requirements without compromising safety is a significant challenge. Continuously optimizing software components to meet real-time requirements without compromising safety, and choosing hardware platforms that can provide the necessary performance for critical functions can ensure maximum safety. Developing and implementing Adaptive AUTOSAR systems can be costlier initially, compared to traditional architectures. Balancing these costs with the benefits of increased functionality and adaptability is a consideration for automakers. This can be tackled through a careful cost-benefit analysis to justify the initial investment in Adaptive AUTOSAR by considering long-term benefits and increased functionality. As the automotive industry remains committed to adopting technological advancements, it's clear that Adaptive AUTOSAR's dynamic software architecture will be key in paving the way. With Adaptive AUTOSAR at the forefront, it's important for engineers to stay relevant and have a deep understanding of it to build these robust systems. In the next video, we will take you through all there is to know about how you can upskill yourself and develop industry-relevant skills in AUTOSAR.